just gone 10 to 10 and I've arrived at Manchester Piccadilly, and now waiting for Ron to turn up, so I'm going to spend a few minutes here on the platforms 13 and 14, which is the little line that cuts off at Manchester Piccadilly and goes off round the bend, going through to Salford, Bolton, and I think ultimately to Preston and various places. See what comes through. So this is the East Midlands service to Norwich. This is the Manchester Airport to Liverpool Line Street train. This is the Llandudno to Manchester Airport train, the 9:54. This is the 10:02. I don't know what this is. I'm losing track of what's what. That train was the 09:58 from Hazel Grove to Bolton. This is the 09:58 Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. Girls Rail. And there's the 10:02 Liverpool Line Street to Manchester Airport, stopping only at Manchester Airport. This one I've got absolutely no idea what it is. Coming in thick and fast. This is the one that just arrived. They're now departing. Platform 9. Determined to find out what it is. So this must be... Oh, this is the Cleethorpes to Manchester Airport. So arrived from Cleethorpes, and now it goes in and comes out again. Right, this next one is the 10:05 from Scarborough to Liverpool Line Street. Actually, correct there, that's the 07. It arrives at 05 and departs at 07. This is the 10:07 to Birmingham New Street. This one is 10:09, arrival, departing at 10:11 to Scarborough. Or have we already had this one? I can't remember. The 10:16 from Carmarthen terminates here, platform 4. Was the 10:07 from London Euston, arriving late. 10:15 to Euston. Making lots of noise. Oh well, we're busy now, look. One on the right. So that's the Chester train. At 21 minutes past 10.